Hi children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today's class we are going to see a topic. The grammar topic is simple past tense. Okay. So in this lesson we will learn how to use the simple past tense, and this is one of the important tense in the English grammar because we use the tense often to talk about the past events. For example, we can use the tense to tell someone what we did yesterday, or we can also use the tense to tell somebody what happened in the world 5,000 years ago, like that. Okay. Whatever you are trying to describe that happened before the now, we can use the past simple tense. Okay, simple past tense. Okay, see, so this is the structure of the sentence. So the sentence structure must be like that: subject plus verb 2. Okay, we should not use verb 3 or verb 1, we should use verb 2. Verb 2 is past verb form. So these are the subjects. So I, you, we, they, he, she, it. For all the verb we can use the past verb form worked. I worked, you worked, we worked, they worked, he worked, she worked, it worked, like that. Okay, see here. So there are two types of verb forms in English grammar. They are regular verb and irregular verb. Let's see. These are all called regular verbs. Okay, in that we just added only the ed alone. Okay, in the main verb we just added ed alone in the past form. Okay, for example, this is verb 1, this is verb 2, this is verb 3. See here, the main verb accept, we added ed, accepted and accepted. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Add, added, added. Okay, so like that we should add the end of the word, we should add ed. So this is called regular verb. This is most common verbs. And the next one, regular verb. In that we no need to add any ed or d. Okay, so here in the irregular verbs, the main verb will change totally different. For example, drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. So like that. So the in irregular verbs, the verb form will change totally its structure. Okay, so let's see how to form a sentence in the past tense, simple past tense. For a positive sentence and a negative sentence and a question sentence. Okay, for example, we saw already that a positive sentence. So I worked, you worked, we worked, they worked, he worked, she worked, it worked, like that. And in negative sentence we should add the past verb auxiliary verb did plus not, did plus not, did plus not. The short form is didn't. The contraction is didn't. Okay, for example, we may frame a sentence like that: I didn't work, you didn't work, we didn't work, they didn't work, he didn't work, she didn't work, it didn't work, like that. So, and the next one thing is, so how to frame a sentence for the question sentence for this in the simple past tense. So these are the basic question words where, when, why, how long, how much, like that. Okay, so using this we should frame a question sentence for the past simple past tense. So before the did we should use where, when, why according to the sentence. Okay, for example, where did I work, when did I work, why did I work. Okay, so like that. So for example, we shall see some example sentences. See here, in the positive sentence we may frame a sentence: I studied French when I was a child. And the next day, he worked at the movie theater after school. The next day, they sat at the beach all day. And the next day, she washed her car. Okay, so this is positive sentence, we can use this. So the sentence must be starts with the subject. The sentence must be starts with the subject, and after the subject we should use verb to form. Okay, see here, verb to is to use. Okay, so like that here also. And the next we shall see how to frame a negative sentence. See here, for negative sentence we should use not. Okay, so we'll also saw now like that. You did not call me. Last year I didn't travel to America. He didn't play the piano. He didn't wash his car. Okay, so like that we should add didn't. Okay, so did not short form only didn't, like that we should use. Okay, and this is how we can frame a negative sentence in the simple past tense. And the next, how to frame a question sentences in the simple past tense. Okay, so this is question sentences. See here, so as we saw already, like that we have to frame a sentence. When the basic question words we should put before the main verb or auxiliary verbs. See here, when did they have dinner last night. Okay, when did they have dinner last night. And the next, did you play a musical instrument when you were a kid. And the next, where did I call you. And fourth one, when did she clean her house. Okay, so this is how we have to frame a question sentences in the simple past tense. Okay children, I hope you will understand the lesson. So if you have any doubt, you can call me and then we will discuss about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.